A very big hello to all my wonderful second PUC champions. I hope my dear children are doing great. So with exams coming this near, I am pretty sure that our tension level is rising a bit. And with this, there might be some children who might have not covered a lot of their syllabus due to so many n number of reasons out there, which is exactly why at least some of you might be thinking, why not try cheating? Well, if at all you have got any thoughts like that, let me tell you one very important thing. I have been to school, I have been to college, I have been through multiple phases of my life, which is exactly why I'm telling you, I know how cheating works. There are micro cheats, so many technologies behind it. I do know that. But you need to realize one very important thing. This is second PU board, and it's not going to be just your invigilator who is going to look after you over here. It's also going to be a camera which is going to be placed inside your classroom, which is going to record both the audio as well as the video, and it is managed by a group of central people out there. They are going to look forward to each detail, and that is known as webcasting. So webcasting is still going to be there. So my dear children, please understand that if at all you had a slight thought of going the other way and trying out cheating, please do not do that. You might be debarred, you might not be allowed to give any examination out there. Rather, if you feel that you still have not completed the syllabus, first of all, give your best. Second thing, you have a second attempt for second PUC, right? I hope you guys know that. You can just do that rather than doing cheating. That is definitely not going to help you out. Yeah, I hope you are understanding the thing. It's, even though I have told you in a very funny way, a jocular way, but it's a serious issue. You need to understand it and do not mess up with your future. Your parents will be sad if at all you do something like that. You itself will be sad. So do not make yourself sad, do not make your parents sad. Be brave enough to see what is going to happen. Let's see what is going to happen. You have an attempt left, you can do that. Okay? So that's one thing that I want to tell you from this particular video. And also one more thing, wishing you all the best for the examination which is there. Do not be worried about anything. What has to happen will happen. You just have to do your part, and do your part, and let's see what's there left for you guys. So yes, and so everyone who says that, ma'am, pakka no cheating, I am not going to cheat, I am just going to face it, do let me know in the comment section that yes ma'am, no cheating. Well, I was just joking around. You do not need to comment and all, but just have this in your head, okay? No cheating allowed. And yes, I hope you guys know that we have launched KC30. If you are interested to take up KC30 batch, you can just enroll into it. You will be getting, it's a 30-day online crash course for KCET champions. That will be complete PU1 and PU2 syllabus coverage along with KCET question practice, 10 mock test as well. Pricing for it is rupees 2499. If at all you are interested, you can take it up. If not, you can consider it later on. The pricing will go higher a bit. Yes. So these are the few things that I had to tell you guys, and do not do cheating. I'm telling you again. Wishing you all the best. Please take care of yourself, and yeah, bye-bye.